Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. How are you all? I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will learn to speak small sentences that we use in daily life and which we often forget to speak.
Pets and animals.
Has the cat been scratching the furniture?
Unfortunately, yes, I've had by scratching furniture.
Has the cat been scratching the furniture?
No, she has been very well behaved lately.
Have you taken your pet to the vet recently?
Just for her annual checkup last week.
Have you taken your pet to the vet recently?
No, but I have noticed she might need a visit soon.
Home and garden.
Have you watered the plants?
I've done indoor ones, but the garden still needs watering.
Have you watered the plants?
Yes, and they have perked up nicely since yesterday.
Has the package arrived?
Yes, it has been sitting by the front door all the morning.
Has the package arrived?
No. According to the tracking, the may be tomorrow.
Have you fixed the squeaky door?
I have oiled it twice, but it's still making that awful noise.
Have you fixed the squeaky door?
Yes, finally. Now it opens the smoothly and quietly.
Social media.
Have you posted your vacation photos?
I've shared a few, but I am saving the best ones for later.
Have you posted your vacation photos?
No, I have decided to keep this trip private.
Has your post gotten many likes?
It's gotten over 100 already, my most popular one yet.
Has your post gotten many likes?
Just a few, maybe I posted at the wrong time.
Transportation.
Have you unfollowed those spam accounts?
I've cleaned up my feed and it's so much better now.
Have you unfollowed those spam accounts?
No, I keep watching their posts and forgetting to unfollow.
Have you filled up the gas tank?
Yes, I have got a full tank, ready for our road trip.
Have you filled up the gas tank?
No, but the warning light has not come on yet.
Has your car been making that noise?
Yes, and it's been getting worse. Time for the mechanic.
Has your car been making that noise?
Actually, no, it's stopped since we changed the oil.
Have you renewed your license?
I've already done it online. It's super easy.
Have you renewed your license?
Not yet. I keep putting off that long DMV line.
Shopping and fashion.
Have you worn your new shoes yet?
Yes, and they are surprisingly comfortable.
Have you worn your new shoes yet?
Not yet, waiting for a special occasion.
Has that shirt shrunk in the wash?
Unfortunately, yes, it's now 2 sizes too small.
Has that shirt shrunk in the wash?
No, I have washed it carefully in cold water.
Have you returned the online order?
I've printed the label but need to drop it off.
Have you returned the online order?
Yes, I have already gotten my refund.
Holidays and celebrations.
Have you decorated for Christmas?
I have put up the tree but haven't done the lights yet.
Have you decorated for Christmas?
Already done. I've been in holiday mode since November.
Has she planned her birthday party?
She's booked the venue but hasn't sent the invitations.
Has she planned her birthday party?
Completely planned. She's been organizing for weeks.
Have you bought Halloween costumes?
I have got the kids' costumes but nothing for myself yet.
Have you bought Halloween costumes?
No, we usually throw something together last minute.
Time management.
Have you wasted much time today?
I've spent 2 hours scrolling social media. Oops!
Have you wasted much time today?
Not at all. I've been super productive all the day.
Has the meeting run overtime?
As usual, we've gone 30 minutes over already.
Has the meeting run overtime?
No, it's actually finished early for once.
Have you adjusted to the time change?
My body hasn't. I've been waking up too early.
Have you adjusted to the time change?
Yes, I have gotten used to it after a few days.
Miscellaneous.
Have you seen my glasses?
Yes, they've been on your head this whole time.
Have you seen my glasses?
Not since yesterday. Where did you last have them?
Has the neighbor's dog stopped barking?
Finally, it's been quite since they got back from vacations.
Has the neighbor's dog stopped barking?
No, it's been keeping me up every night this week.
Have you checked the weather forecast?
I've looked. It's supposed to rain all weekend.
Have you checked the weather forecast?
No, but I've noticed the dark clouds gathering.
Have you heard from your old classmates?
I've reconnected with a few through social media.
Have you heard from your old classmates?
No, I have lost touch most of them over the years.
Daily life and routine.
Have you made your bed today?
Actually, yes, for once I didn't leave it messy.
Have you made your bed today?
Nope, I never make my bed unless company's coming.
Has your morning been busy?
Crazy busy. I've already had 3 meetings.
Has your morning been busy?
Not at all. I've just been relaxing with coffee.
Have you checked your email yet?
I've skimmed them, but haven't replied to any yet.
Have you checked your email yet?
No, I've been avoiding my inbox all morning.
Personal achievements. Have you reached your saving goal?
I've saved half of what I planned to so far.
Have you reached your saving goal?
Yes, I've even put aside some extra money.
Has your hard work paid off?
Yes, I've gotten that promotion I wanted.
Has your hard work paid off?
Not yet, but I have been seeing small improvements.
Have you completed your bucket list?
I've checked off about half the items so far.
Have you completed your bucket list?
No, I've barely started on it, actually.
Household issues. Has the air conditioner been working?
Yes, it has been keeping the house nice and cool.
Has the air conditioner been working?
No, it has been broken since last weekend.
Has the plumber fixed the leak?
Yes, he has just finished. Everything's dry now.
Has the plumber fixed the leak?
No, he has been delayed and won't come until tomorrow.
Have the neighbors been noisy?
Yes, their dog's been barking non-stop all afternoon.
Have the neighbors been noisy?
No, they've been unusually quiet lately.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!